Hi there and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good. So today we are going to see pagination in Datatable in Vue. So let's get started with today's video. So first let's see Vue. So here you can see table. I have created more entries using factory in Laravel. It's like a sample data you can consider. So if I'll show you API, that is contact list. So here you can see payload is empty as of now. So like from view side, there is nothing payload going to backend side for pagination. So we need to enable first that. In data table, there is option to enable server side processing. So that we need to pass option when we are initializing our data table. So there then payload will be sent. So let me show you database once. So here you can see I'm having 55 entries total, and that all are displayed here as of now. In pagination is there as of now, but it is like one time data it's loading. So if you have large number of data, then it will be difficult. So for that you can do server side processing and get the required data how much you want, and then for next page that much data you can fetch again and display. So that will reduce your loading time. Next, let me show you code. So index.js, you can see only one route, and that is going to contact list. In contact list component, you can see only one table I am having, and on that table data table is applied. So ajax you can see, and that is fetching using contact list data, and it's getting displayed in my table. And columns also you can see I have defined. Let me show you backend code as well. So you can see route contact list is going to contact controller index function, and index function you can see is just that contact model. All data is fetched and returned in API. So we will be changing this, and as well as in Vue. So let's change first in Vue. So we are going to enable server side processing. So write processing true, and as well as server side true. So these two options you need to pass. And now let's check in browser. So let's inspect, and now let's go to network contact list. So payload, now you can see row is there, columns are there, so you can all manage all these options. So for one particular column you can manage all these options. At last you can see I'm having start and length as well as 10 list is displayed as of now. So start is 0 and length is 10, and row is 1 as of now because it's my first page. So now let's start with our backend changes. So let's first change to select, and we need to send total number of count of rows, and second which is like total filtered records. So let's get contact total. Let's hold this in a variable, so it will be a count function. So let's hold in a variable records total, and second will be, let's say, records filtered. Okay, I forgot to change this, so it will not be total, it's a count function. So now let's define offset and limit. So limit will be like fixed, that how many you want to send, let's say 10 in every like chunk, or 25, 50, whichever chunk you have chosen, accordingly that limit will be fixed. And offset will be that starting point, from which starting point of chunk. Let's say first 10 you displace, then other will be 11, the next second pagination will be 21. So like that it will be 29 to 30, it will be displayed. So that is how limit and offset will work. So our limit will be whichever we are getting from payload length basically. So that length will be our limit, and offset will be our start. So in the starting you have seen start is equals to 0, so that is first page basically. Now let's get the result and hold that in a variable, let's say contact list. Start and length will not be a function. So start is fine, length I need to remove because that's a object, it will be coming from payload. The last thing, we need to change our response. So let's keep status message. So with data we need to send records total and records filtered. So pass key as records total and pass variable as value. Then second for records filtered, and same in as value. On refresh you can see contact list records are coming, total records and filtered records are 55, and row you can see 1, and length if I'll show you, it's showing first 10 only. And now if I'll click on next page, you can see Draw is there, start is changed to 10, and length is same 10 v. Total records same, you can see. And if I'll go to last one, you can check draw, you can check 3, and start is having 50 and length is having 10. So you can see only 5 records now displayed because 55 we have, so in the last 5 records are displayed. Now let's change to 25, and you can see now 1 to 25 is displayed and only 3 pages were made. And if I'll go to next, then you can see 26 to 55 it's displayed, and third is having 51 to 55. So that's how chunks are divided, and every time request is sent to backend, so that doesn't let your data table to be heavy, as every time data will be loaded in chunks and small amount. So I hope you like this video. That's all in this video. I have shown you how you can paginate your data table in Vue. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. In my next video, I'll show you how you can do dynamic search in data table in Vue and Laravel. Thank you so much for watching.